Top 6 Best Freelancing Skills to Earn Money as a Freelancer in 2022. That's it. It's exciting to think about starting your own online business, but it can also be quite intimidating. I know how you feel because I was just like you once. However, here's the thing. Anyone can launch a successful online business. The internet has made it simpler than ever before to launch a new venture. One of the quickest ways to start earning money on your own term is to start freelancing. But which skills will bring in the most money? Today we will take a look at some of the highest paying freelance jobs in the world. 25% of self-employed professionals earn more than they would in their regular job. Freelancers who want to succeed need to be constantly on the outlook for in-demand skills and then train themselves in those areas. Subscribe to my channel now so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and let's get started. Web development. What do you know about web development? Web design is one of the most lucrative freelance professions. This is because companies are willing to pay top dollar for attractive and functional websites because they bring in so much revenue for their business. By choosing to work with only the highest paying clients and setting their own rates, seasoned freelance web designers can easily bring in 6 figures annually. Web designers working on their own time spend more of their time learning new web design techniques, securing new clients, and designing websites using software like Figma and Adobe XD. If you are interested in freelancing as a web designer, this YouTube playlist contains a free web design course that will teach you the basics of web design. The next step is to construct your first website, perhaps a portfolio to showcase your work and attract future clients. Whenever you are ready, you can various communities of freelance web designers and continue your education with web design, becoming a professional course. Independent workers put in an average of 36 hours per week and make $21 per hour. The annual cost would be $39,000. Digital marketing. To that end, freelance digital marketers aid their clients in managing their brand's image, expanding their customer base, and boosting revenue. Without investing in digital marketing, even if a company offers the best products or services in the world, no one will ever learn about it. There will always be a need for digital marketers because of the value they add in generating leads and closing sales. Being a digital marketer can mean a lot of different things to a lot of different people. So it's up to you to decide what niche you want to work in. A digital marketer's work spans many mediums, including but not limited to advertisements, blog posts, video commercials, emails, and text message campaigns. They may also consult businesses on marketing strategies. To get your feet wet in the world of digital marketing, it's best to reach out to a local company and offer your services for free. Business owners typically hire independent contractors to handle their digital marketing because they are too busy running the company. The great thing about digital marketing is that you can always track the success of your campaigns. If you run an email marketing campaign for a local business and help them increase their website traffic from a few per day to hundreds per day, you will know that your marketing efforts were successful at attracting new customers to their site. Perhaps your campaign's failure was due to an insufficient number of visitors clicking through to the website's intended pages. In that case, you can certainly try to improve click-through rates in your subsequent efforts. Your reputation as a freelance digital marketer will grow as you experiment with different approaches and show results. Finding freelance work in digital marketing is easy with sites like Upwork. Digital marketers working independently can expect to make between $50 and $100 per hour or $60,000 and $80,000 per month. Virtual assistant. There is a wide range of tasks that virtual assistants can perform for companies. They are able to help business owners with many different tasks, including responding to emails, setting up meetings, and even booking flights. This is a fantastic opportunity to gain insight into the mind of other business owners. As a virtual assistant, you have the option of being a generalist or specializing in a particular area of expertise. If you have expertise in data entry, for instance, you could offer your services to multiple companies at a set rate. Think about what you are good at and where you could use improvement, and then start putting together service bundles. After that, advertise your offerings on a basic website you can make with any no-code website builders. The presence of this website is invaluable for establishing credibility and attracting prospective customers. Getting that first customer could go a number of ways. You could tell your friends and family about your website. You could assess the gaps in the service provision of the small businesses you respect and offer to fill them. To better understand the challenges faced by business owners, you could, for instance, join relevant Facebook groups. Maybe they are having trouble handling complaints from customers. Another possibility is that they are experiencing feelings of disorganization and overload. If you provide a service that helps people maintain clean and organized inboxes, you could reach out to them and give them advice on how to do so. If they are interested in learning more about hiring you, send them a link to your website. Hiring someone who has already helped them and proven their worth is a common practice, so this strategy often succeeds. Alternatively, you could look for freelance virtual assistant positions on marketplaces like Upwork, Fiverr, FlexJobs, etc. NFD Artwork. NFT's widespread applicability is a major factor in their success. In the digital realm, they have a wide variety of applications including collectibles, games, and even verifying one's own identity. Further, NFT demand is rising in tandem with the expansion of the global cryptocurrency market. The aforementioned services and many more can now be provided through even the most common freelance platforms, and some of them even have their own dedicated sections of NFTs. Earnings for creating NFTs can range from $200 to more than $1 million. There are a lot of variables and ways for creators to monetize their work with NFT, so the range is large. While artists can expect to make a median income of $1,000 per NFT sold, developers writing smart contracts can expect to make well over $100,000 annually. Content and article writing. In light of the proliferation of online enterprises, the ability to write compelling content has emerged as a key commodity for building business owners. These days, it's a catch-all phrase for a wide variety of related disciplines, including copywriting, email marketing, feature writing, and more. To succeed as a freelance content writer, however, you will need to hone skills beyond writing, such as SEO, graphic design, digital marketing, content management system, CMS, and possibly even web design fundamentals. Depending on experience and market demand, a content writer can make upwards of $60,000 per year. Graphic designing. Website design, Instagram promotion, brand promotion, user experience design, etc. are all in high demand due to the exploding number of new online businesses. Graphic designers play a crucial role in this context. They play a crucial role in making the brand's voice come to life through inventive graphics and in solving any and all graphic-related problems that may arise. Their eye-catching artwork is frequently featured in articles and campaigns, promotional videos, website homepages, Instagram stories and posts, newsletters, leaflets, and other marketing materials. When it comes to capturing the attention of your target audience, visual and design are crucial. You need to be proficient in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, as well as other design software like Inkscape, Figma, Canva, and Affinity Designer. In order to have a successful beginning to your freelancing career, it is time to hone your design skills. In the United States, the average annual salary for a designer with medium experience is $45,000. The salaries of graphic designers can vary widely depending on factors such as their skill level, years of experience, and scope of responsibility. Job satisfaction rises when you are able to put your passions to work for you, which is a perk of being self-employed. So what are you waiting for? If you are considering yourself as a freelancer, I hope you found this video informative. Feel free to ask any follow-up questions in the comment section and I will do my best to respond. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to launch and expand your own web-based enterprise. Be sure to register for the free webinar right now by clicking the link in the description below. You won't want to miss out on this if you can help it. Start your journey as a freelancer and be your own boss.